Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our first shout out assembly this year. So well done to all of those children who've been working really hard, and there are masses of you working hard at home throughout. It's Friday the 15th of January, so every Friday I'm going to be doing a golden ticket assembly and a shout out, and these are the shout outs for nursery reception year 1 and year 2 this week who've been working so hard at home. I'm going to start off, you'll see. Here we go, got lots of Miss Marshall shout outs here. Well done to these children for making a great start to their home learning. Really great start, so really well done, posting lots on Tapestry, engaging in all those online lessons as well as the work packs. Really well done. Ava, Liza, Orson, Adil, Woody, Caitlin, Ben, Logan, Olivia, Lola and Alex. Lots of you just working so hard. So thank you so much, keep it up. Keep with that, engaging with it online and collecting those work packs, because that'll be really great, because that way we'll keep making progress and children will be learning every single day. So well done, thank you everyone at home, please keep it up, and well done you guys. Big shout outs to all of you. Well done Miss Marshall's class, well done, keep it up. Moving on, Miss Begum stars, look, for reading lots, working hard on time for maths and sharing their work. Absolutely, sharing lots and lots on Tapestry, so really well done again. We've got Maxwell, we've got Sophie, we've got Jack, Marcy, Vitterus, Scarlett P, Tasman, Rebecca, Caden, Bartos, Scarlett B and Anna Maria. Well done you guys, keep it up at home please. As I said, it's fantastic to see all of that learning going on at home. Look at these guys, look, big smiles on your faces as well. Thank you, really cheering Mr. Allen up here at school. Keep it up guys, keep posting on Tapestry, keep engaging on all that online learning. Making me really proud, so well done. Thank you. Here we go, star workers here. Look at these. Oh, look at these year 2s. Look, we've got Daria, we've got Levi, Rebecca, Lacey, Evie, Rosie, Tyler, Luke, and Luca. The work, the handwriting, the maths. Guys, you are doing your work at home as neatly as you do at school. Really well done. So proud of you. It is fantastic. I know Miss Howkins is as well. She's really chuffed. She is so chuffed with you guys at the work that is going on. Keep it up. Keep engaging on those online lessons, keep engaging with the work packs that you're doing, and keep your work as neat as it is here. Really well done, guys. Massive shout outs to you. Thank you. Moving on, look, we've got Shark Class. Shark Class shout outs. Look at these shout outs. Fantastic. Look, we've got Toby, we've got Georgia, Willow, Lily, Keely, Jensen, Esme, Marcy, and we've got Ollie, Ava, Alinka, and Lucas. So here they are, look, they're all sitting and working really hard as well. And then, look, here we go. Look at Elizabeth, look at her there in the middle. Amazing dressing up there. Fantastic home learning, guys. Really well done from reception club. Please keep it up. Keep posting on Tapestry. Keep engaging on those online lessons. Really lovely to see you guys, because it's really good to see we can get many more as well. Well done. Thank you, guys. Moving on here. Look at Miss Wright Superstars. Look at Nursery. Oh my days. Guys, oh, thank you so much, everyone at home. It is amazing. Look at this. Nella, Lola, Zygmunt, Ruben, Alice, Archie, Jasmine, Amelia, Vienna, Elliot, Nyla, and Bassam. Guys, your work at home is amazing. Keep posting on Tapestry. I want to keep on seeing what you're doing. It is just you can see, it's making me smile. It's filling me with such pride. I am so proud of all of you. Thank you so much. Keep up that amazing work. And I know Miss Wright is really missing you all, but keep it up, keep posting on there, and it helps us to keep in touch. Really well done, guys. Moving on. Look at Mrs. Cook, shout outs. Here they are, look at this. We've got Robbie, Gabby, Paul, George, Ebony, both Ebony, Fitz, Ranin, Casper, Rosie, Jake, me and May. Again, I mentioned earlier, Miss Howkins was saying about the work that's going on at home. Mrs. Cook is exactly the same. Look at the writing, look at the way you guys are setting up, look at your maths. It is amazing. Brilliant cutting and sticking as well. Here, the maths, it's brilliant from year 2s. Please keep it up. Keep engaging in those lessons. It is fantastic to see. Miss Cook is really proud of you guys. So am I. Keep it up, guys. Thank you. Oh, look at these. Oliver, Alfie, James, Emily and Lily have been working really hard at home. They have been super at maths, phonics, storytelling and helping grown-ups. Really well done. That's what we want. We want from everyone. Please help out at home. It's really difficult being at home and doing the learning. Please help out mums and dads. Please help them out, guys, because we've got to really help them. Help them to help you. all right? Because that way it just makes for a much calmer home, and no one will get stressed, and it's a really happy place. And what we get is lots of smiling faces and lots of really hard work going on throughout, and especially for Turtle Class there. So really well done, guys. So really, really well done to those and to everyone throughout. Thank you so much. It's lovely to give all those shout outs to all of those children. Please engage, keep engaging online, getting the work packs. That way, that blended learning approach, we will get the children moving on. We'll be making progress. So please keep it up, guys. Thank you so much, everyone at home. And remember, until next week, more shout outs coming next Friday. Bye-bye now.